In simple terms, the P&ID is a 2D drawing representing an industrial plant. It can be named process and instrumentation diagram. I don't like this designation, but I know some companies that use that. But most often it is named or known as piping and instrumentation diagram. And I prefer this name because the main reason for the piping instrumentation diagram is to show to the engineering team, to the design department, all the materials, pipe size, instrumentation, electrical issues, and others information required to develop and issue all the engineering documentations for the plant erection, startup, commissioning, and etc. Based on that, you must understand that the P&ID is not a document exclusively for the process engineering department. It is a multidisciplinary document where, in many cases, it starts with the process engineer, but in some companies, it is responsibility of the automation engineer. And once the project go forward, more disciplines add comments and add information to this document. So if I need to install a pump in an industrial plant, before being able to install that pump at the site, at the field for real, I need to prepare some documentation. And one of the documentations needed for that is the piping and instrumentation diagram, where we will see the line is going in, the line is going out, the line size, if it is 2 inches, 3 inches, or other size for the line. We'll see which are the material considered for that line. It is carbon steel, stainless steel, or other kind of material. We'll see also the fittings that must be installed in the pump, the isolation valve at the suction, the isolation valve at the discharge, the manometer at the discharge of the pump, the check valve, and others instrumentation that can apply to the arrangement. And we'll see also information related to the automation, how the pump starts, how the pump stops, and etc. So the P&ID is one of the most important documents in a plant design, and without it, it's not possible to issue or to develop others documentation that is very, very important to plant design.